reviewing the Falken Wildpeak AT trails. I've had them for about a year, so stay tuned.
All right, guys, so this is my 2016 Subaru Forester. It's got a it's got a 1.5 inch lift from rough country, and I've had it like this for about a year. I've done some trips on it. You can watch the videos on my channel. We go to Big Bend. It did really great. But this video is more intended on the tires, so I kind of just want to tell you guys the make and model. And let's talk about these tires. So these are the Falken Wildpeak AT trails. The size is 225 by 65 on a 17-inch rim, and they've been really good. Let me back up a little bit here. They've been really good. Again, I've had them for over a year, and I'm not sure how many miles I've put on them. I would have to say maybe like 20,000 miles, maybe a little less probably, but I have done some trips on it. I've gone to Big Bend. If you watch that video, I've taken it off-roading, taken it to the beach. I've made multiple trips to different cities that are, cities like 5-hour drives on the highway. So these tires I've seen a lot, and they've been really good. So these tires were made specifically, from what I know, for SUVs, small SUVs, sorry, or vehicles like Subarus. They're supposed to be a lighter tire. A lot of guys on the Subarus will put some BF Goodrich all-terrains, and those tires are meant more for trucks. They're a lot heavier. They're of course a lot more beefier than these tires, but these tires are supposed to be more lighter, more light duty for a Subaru that's not really going to be wheeling that hard, and it's just better gas, better MPGs. So that's why I got these tires, just for the fact that it's made more for the Subaru. I didn't want to put something heavy on there. So if you're looking into putting these on your Subaru, again, I have a lift about 1.5 inches, but I've seen other videos where people put these tires without no lift, and they fit a little snug. But I have no rubbing at all with these tires on this size. Again, it's a 225 by 65 by 17-inch tire, and I have no rubbing, turning, or anything. I didn't modify anything on the Subaru. They just fit on there. And actually, on the rough country lift, they said that was the appropriate size to put. But I'm actually getting rid of these tires very soon, and I'm going to go up to the next size, which is the 235 65 17, which I believe, if I'm correct, that's just a wider tire. It's the same height, but I might be wrong. The terrain that I've used this on is just gravelly road that you're seeing right now. Again, if you watch the video from Big Bend, that was more of a, I would not say obviously rock crawling, but there was some little instances where I had to go over some big rocks, and the Subaru did pretty well. I wouldn't recommend really wheeling this thing, especially with the CVT transmission, which is the automatic. It's a really finicky transmission. You don't want to be putting too much wear on that transmission. But again, I use this vehicle just for light stuff, basically the beach. And that's another place that I go to a lot. Is I live close to the beach, so this Subaru has seen some time at the beach, and I don't have any video of it, but it does really well on the beach. But again, I will be truthful and compare. My dad has a brand new Forester, the sport model, and he took out his Forester with no modifications and street tires, and he did pretty well. So when it comes to beach, you want to air down and all that. But again, I have no complaints with this tire regarding the terrain that I do. And obviously the last terrain that I do see, which is going to be everyone, is the streets. And on the street, they are great. They have absolutely no noise. I don't hear any noise at all on the street. They perform really well. On rainy days, they've done well. I've driven on snow on the highway. They've done really well. Again, this is a Subaru. It's got all-wheel drive, so the car itself is going to perform really great on road. But the tires haven't given me any issues regarding that, and that's my honest truth. And I didn't say about I didn't talk about the tires where I got them. I got them at Discount Tire. These are not sponsored at all. I paid full price on these. I have nothing to do with Falken, so this is really my 2 cents. Again, not sponsored. So, conclusion, do I like these tires? I really do like these tires. They've been great this whole time. I am replacing them, but it has nothing to do with the tires being bad. I'm just putting something else in. I'll talk about that later on in another video, which I'll be giving you guys an update on. But would I recommend these tires? I definitely would. They gave me no issues. I think they're pretty sporty looking tires, very off-roady tires. I think they're perfect for an SUV, a small SUV like this, maybe for a RAV4, something like that. But I really do think that they're pretty great. Price-wise, I don't know how much they're going for now. I'll put the price below. But I've had other Falkens on before and they've been good. So, no issues whatsoever. So if you're looking for some tires like this, check online. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Just want to give you guys a little update before I actually take these off. So and also check out the Big Bend videos. I'll link them down below. You can watch the Subaru using the Wildpeak on actual off-road course. So anyways, we'll see you guys.